Hello everyone, this is Shirkendra. This gentle bedtime stretch practice is here to help you relax, release tension, and prepare your body and mind for restful sleep. You can practice on your bed or on a mat using pillows or blankets for comfort. Let's begin by settling into a comfortable position and taking a slow breath in and a soft breath out. Allow your day to gently fade away. You may close your eyes or have a soft gaze. Gently bring your right ear towards your right shoulder. Let your left shoulder soften down. Take a slow breath here. And switch sides. Bring your left ear towards your left shoulder. And release. Let's add some small shoulder rolls, lifting your shoulders up towards your ears and letting them drop away. Imagine any stress melting off your shoulders and neck. Let's reverse. Good. Relax your shoulders down. Reach your right arm up and gently over to the left for a side stretch, creating space along your side body. Keep your breath slow and easy. Feel your ribs expand as you breathe in and soften as you breathe out. Release. Let's switch sides, reaching your left arm up and over to the right. Allow this stretch to feel soft and supported. And release. Go ahead and lie down on your back. Hug your knees into your chest. You can gently rock side to side if that feels soothing. Feel your lower back relax into the bed or mat. Let your breath be natural and calm. Maybe whisper to yourself, I am safe to rest. Keep your feet together. Press your hands on your knees and gently butterfly your legs open. Opening up your hips. Releasing pressure off your lower back. Very nice. Gently bring your knees back together. Let your knees fall over to one side for a supine spinal twist, keeping your shoulders relaxed. You may place a pillow under your knees for support. Turn your head gently in the opposite direction. Breathe into your belly and allow your body to unwind. When you're ready, slowly switch to the other side. Let gravity do the work, no forcing. Gently bring your knees back up for supported relaxation, our final pose, Shavasana. Lying comfortably on your back, you may place one hand over your heart, one hand on your belly, or you may have your hands at your sides, palms facing up. Gently close your eyes. Feel your breath rise and fall. With each exhale, let your body grow heavier and more supported. Silently repeat, I release the day. I welcome rest. Stay here for a few quiet breaths, allowing yourself to fully soften. You may continue to stay in the relaxation pose if you'd like. As always, thank you so much for practicing with me. May your mind be calm and your sleep be peaceful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more support on your wellness journey. Have a blessed night. Bye-bye.